Accessibility headings. Okay, folks, today we're going to focus on headings as a way to structure content in Canvas. Getting headings right is critical to accessibility. Here's a blank Canvas page I will go ahead and call Hurricanes. I got content from a Word doc that I've got to put into Canvas. First step, copy and paste. Gotta click the edit button now and paste. I personally like centering the text at the top of the page. I'm going to change the font size to a little bigger because that's what I always do. Consistency is absolutely essential to accessibility. So far, so good. But let's check out the accessibility checker. Look out, got my balloons. Maybe this was too easy though. Is this page actually accessible? Nope. This page is not accessible. When it comes to headings, the accessibility checker doesn't always get it right. That's why instructors need to double check that headings in all Canvas pages and assignments are actually accessible. How do you fix this? Add headings. Let's start at the block section. This is under the rich text editor. We have heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and paragraph. Remember, the name of the page is always heading 1. For distinction, I'll go ahead and designate the text at the top as H2. That means I'll go down one level to H3 for the subsections. And another H3 here, and one more H3. All right, let's check it out under preview. Here's H1, H2, H3, H3, and H3. I'll go ahead and cancel. Another strategy to simplify things is to not have a title on the page or assignment, and to go ahead and use H2 for the major sections. Let's check it out. H2, H2, and H2 again. Looking good. Let's switch to the print view. We have H1, H2, H2 again, and H2. But, drum rolls. Let's check that accessibility again. Shoot, it caught something. Now what? A hierarchy issue. I used an H4 directly after an H2. That, I'm afraid, is an error. Gotta take action. Then fix heading hierarchy, then apply. Balloons, a good sign. All right. But I want to see for myself. H2, check. Not so good. The software let me down. See the inconsistency? I need to be consistent with my formatting. So I'll change H2. Now I'm confident about the headings for this page. I'll save. Here's our checklist. Number 1, always use hierarchical headings to structure both pages and assignments. Number 2, use the accessibility checker. but understand it's got its limits. Number 3, designate the title of a page as H2 and start designating subheadings with H3. Or don't have a title on the page and start designating subheadings with H2. Number 4, choose one method for headings and stick with it for your entire course shell. Be consistent. Make sure your headings are descriptive. Avoid generic terms such as Part 1 and Part 2. Make headings clear and concise.